Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on Nailpossible. Today we're gonna make this super colorful woven lines design using reverse nail stamping. We apply our base coat. And we apply this yellow nail polish on the nails that will not have a design on them. For the nails that will have a design, we're going to apply a white nail polish. We add a second coat to all nails. And we clean up. Let's apply a bit of liquid latex around the nails that we're going to stamp. And we're going to be using this plate for the design with this dark purple nail polish. Once we have our design on the stamper, we're going to fill in sections of the image. I'm going to start with the yellow polish we used before. Other sections I'm going to fill in with this light blue. And I'm going to use this other blue for some other sections. We're going to keep going like this, filling in sections with these three colors until we have something like this. We'll let this dry for a bit. And now we stamp it on the nail carefully so we don't distort the lines too much. We repeat this process on the other nail. Before we remove the liquid latex, I'm going to try to cut the design around the nail so it's easier to remove. And now we can remove the liquid latex. Using a bit of acetone, we clean up some more so it looks nice and pretty. And we finish by adding a top coat. In this case, I do recommend adding a top coat very carefully because if you drag your brush too much in designs like this, you can smudge the image. And we're finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!